Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. Just want to make a quick video and tell you guys about an exciting women's car care clinic that we have coming up. It's going to be on October 19th, 2019. Our very own Colleen, who's ASE certified, is going to be there helping you guys out, teaching the course. She's going to show you how to change a tire, how to jump start your vehicle, and check the fluids under the hood. She's also going to go over with how you can tell whether your car needs brakes or not, what you can and cannot touch on a vehicle, and go over any other questions that you might have. After the event, we're also going to pair it with a wine tasting. We're going to have Lourdes from Lourdes of the Vines putting together some nice light snacks and pairing them with some great wines for wine tasting. So head on over to www.deboersauto.com/women's car care clinic.